Hello everyone and welcome back. So finally official press renders for Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 are now out. We are just 2 days away from the unpacked event. So let's see what the Galaxy Watch 5 has to offer, and also I have a watch face for giveaway from Yosash Watch Faces. Do check it out as well. Starting off with the first press render, it shows Galaxy Watch 5 on a charger and says back on your wrist in no time. This basically shows Galaxy Watch 5's new fast wireless charging capability, which will now support 10 watt fast wireless charging as compared to 5 watt on Galaxy Watch 4. Also at the bottom you can see that Samsung has mentioned adapter will not be available inside the box, just like last year's Galaxy Watch 4. Next press render shows both the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro with Galaxy Buds. Here you can see the absence of rotating mechanical bezel on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Let's see how Samsung has implemented this new mechanism of rotation on the smartwatch. Last few press renders show Galaxy Watch health and fitness capabilities with sleep analysis. Body temperature sensor was not mentioned here, but there are high chances Samsung will debut this feature. It may not be available at launch, but Samsung will push it out later with a software update. What are your thoughts on Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, now moving on to the watch face. This one is Yosash A385, available for both Tizen OS and Wear OS. Once again, for giveaway you have to just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Moving on to the watch face, it is simple and clean. Here first of all our time is highlighted at the top, while rest of the information is present in the lower section. Here we have two hexagonal dials, one is showing step counter while the other one is showing calories burnt. And here's our battery percentage with heart rate monitor. Also, if you want to customize this watch face, just long press on it and now tap on customize. Here first of all you can change background color like red, orange and many more. Next you can change color of time present at the top like this, and in the end we have few options with complication icons in the background. So this is Yosash A385. Now let's see its always on display mode. Always on display mode with this watch face looks stunning. Here we have this blue loom butterfly pattern while our time is still highlighted at the top with this dimmed down background, and if I double tap on the watch face, all the colors will be back. So this was the update for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.